Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add Pinterest to your never sleeping apps list on your mobile device. If you want Pinterest to keep running in the background and never miss a notification, this quick guide is for you. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your settings. This is where you can control how your device manages apps and battery usage. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you see the option labeled Battery and Device Care. Tap on it to open up more options related to your phone's performance and battery. Next, find and tap on Battery. This section gives you a detailed look at how your apps are using power and lets you customize which apps can run in the background. Look for the option called Never Sleeping Apps. This is the list of apps that your phone will never put to sleep, meaning they'll always be allowed to run in the background and send you updates. Tap on Never Sleeping Apps. You'll see a list of apps that are already set to never sleep. To add Pinterest, tap the plus sign or Add button, usually found at the top or bottom of the screen. This will bring up a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Scroll through the list until you find Pinterest. Once you see it, tap on Pinterest to select it, then confirm your choice by tapping Add or Done. Now, Pinterest is officially on your never sleeping apps list. That's it. By following these steps, you've made sure that Pinterest will always stay active in the background, so you'll never miss a notification or update. If you ever want to remove Pinterest from this list, just repeat these steps and tap the minus sign next to Pinterest. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.